Hello and welcome to the technical deep dive into GenCRM, our generic customer relationship management platform. In today's fast-paced business world, where effective customer management is paramount, hence we engineered GenCRM, a robust, scalable, and a multifaceted platform to ensure customer interactions, manage support, and overall operational efficiency for any type of business, regardless of industry or its size. GenCRM isn't just a collection of features; it's a unified ecosystem built for the modern enterprise. Our core design philosophy is centered on two key principles: ubiquity and scalability, and we achieve this right from the foundational technology. The GenCRM website is built on a standard but powerful web stack, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here, our users can access GenCRM from anywhere, anytime. We develop both a fully responsive website and a mobile app using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for mobile app we use Kotlin. Our GenCRM project has following key features: chatbot, ticketing system, calling system, MCP, authentication, and multi-tenancy. Now my fellow groupmates will discuss everything.
Hello everyone, this is Imran Shojib and I am going to talk about the backend database and overall structure of the GenCRM. We already mentioned that the GenCRM is a multi-tenant software, so we use MongoDB database for the multi-tenancy and it works well because the NoSQL database actually works with the multi-tenancy. And we also host our MongoDB server database in our MongoDB Atlas cloud so that we can use this database when we deployed our server. So and now we build our backend server with Express.js, which is a library of Node module. When we start our backend server, we use server.js file, and all the environment, all the credentials, all APIs are mentioned in the env file, and all the hidden and the secure keys are stored in the env file, which is not can be accessible by the user. The authentication in our app is use JWT tokenization, and we authenticate with this because without authentication, no user can access any data from the database. Actually, we already deployed our backend server in the railway platform, and some part of our software is also deployed in the Docker container. So the authentication is checked by us and the testers so that the authentication works properly, and it we actually allow the users and client, also the super user for the multiple authentication roles. If the admin enter in our system, he will take the role of admin, and if the normal user will come our software, then the user role will activate it. So the credentials and data from our database must needed to authenticate the system. The other part of our service will described by my fellow teammates.
MCP uses the same backend of the main system, so it shares authentication, business logic, and services. MCP also directly uses the main database, which helps to access the real-time database. Through MCP, we provide full CRUD operation using APIs, meaning users can read, create, update, and relate data securely using API endpoints. The chatbot is a conversational interface that works with the MCP. it has the same backend interface and as well as has the same root operation. So users can create, update, read and delete data securely using the chatbot. Chatbot is only integrated in the Wave, not in the app for now, but we will be integrating in the apps.
I'm going to talk about the call service system and the ticket tracking system. For our call service system, we use Zego Cloud, which is a completely open source API module. Zego Cloud has its own API key, which we have integrated in the backend of our Gen CRM. For ticket tracking system, we use TrueDisk, which is also a completely open source API system. TrueDisk has its own MongoDB database, which we have integrated in our main database for the Gen CRM. Both the ticket tracking system and Zego Cloud has been integrated in the same backend of the Gen CRM.